No, AI will not take a job, but people who know how to work with AI will. That's why I encourage you to work smarter and learn how to use AI to your advantage. Let me show you one tool that can help you save time by generating high-quality, ready-to-go prompts tailored to your specific tasks. The tool we're going to use today is called Console Anthrop. This tool is designed and optimized for Claude, but it generally can be used with any AI model. Sometimes the hardest part with working with AI models is to prompt it effectively. So let's see how this tool can create a prompt for customer service representative handling complainants. So we have a few options to do that with this tool: write a prompt from scratch, generate a prompt, or improve an existing prompt. So let's select the first option, click Generate Prompt. Here we have to provide as much information as we can. You don't need to know any prompt engineering techniques. This tool is utilizing advanced techniques behind the scenes. So let's click Generate. So what this tool actually does, it generates a prompt template. Prompt templates are usable prompts that contain one or more variables. These variables allow you to customize the prompt for specific tasks without starting from scratch. So variables determine the context. Variables ensure a consistent structure for your prompt for recurring tasks, and it's easily extendable for large-scale projects. And you can use it for tasks like summarizing meeting notes, writing emails like marketing, customer support, creating documents, describing product specifications, design, etc. So you see it generated few variables that can be replaced for customer policies and customer complaint, and we can replace it later on with more context. So let's test it. So we click Run, and here we have few options. We can provide our own examples here for company policies or customer complaint, or if you don't have any yet, we can click Generate, and this tool will pre-populate the variables of the random data. Okay, and now we can click Run and see the results. On the left side, we have a high-quality prompt generated by the tool, and you see that company policies and company complaint were substituted with the variables that the tool generated in the previous window. And here we have the sample response. The prompt analyzed policies, analyzed complaint, and came up with a suggestion. So if you like the response that you see, you save the prompt and you use it in your work, and if you don't, there is a way to improve it further. So let's say that we want the tool to review policies, customer complaint, and we want to add a remediation offer. After that, the tool should come up with a response for customer. Make customer response section shorter, but to the point. Click Improve Prompt. All right, so it generated a new version of a prompt. So improved prompt based on our comments. So let's open it and let's run it again and test it. So first we see that it's doing some analysis. It's analyzing the complaint, it's analyzing the policies and giving some summary. After that, it generated another email for a customer. It also provides the reasoning at the end. So if you like the result, you can copy the prompt and save it anywhere you're managing your prompts. Since we are working with prompt templates that are designed to work for different scenarios and use cases, you can test it to see if it meets your expectations each time. So for that, there is an Evaluate tool. We go to this tab and we see that this is the result of the first use case that was generated by the tool. Now, you can create your own use cases by clicking Add Row or importing your own test cases. So for this, you will need example of customer complaint and company policies. Or we can ask the tool to generate use cases for us. So let's click Generate Test Case. So what it is doing, it's creating a new data for a variable called company policies and customer complaint. And now let's run to see the result. Okay, so you check the result. If you still like it, you continue. If you want, you can generate as many test cases as you want to be confident in your prompt. So, sounds good. But now, you have also another option to compare results from your different prompt versions, because every time you ask this tool to improve your prompt, it creates a new version of a prompt. So as you can see, this says V2, so it's using second version. So let's add a first version, and see how it compares to the second one. So don't expect this tool to give you the great prompt right away. You need to give it as much context as you can and also test it to see that results that are produced by the prompt are meeting your expectations. So now you're probably wondering about the cost. Bad news is that you will have to input your credit card information, but good news is that it does not charge much. We are talking about pennies. You can prepay $5 and use it extensively and gonna last you for more than a week, I think. Alright, so key takeaways to remember. Save your best templates, use variables for flexibility, test with multiple scenarios, and start simple and then optimize. If you like this walkthrough, hit the like button and comment below if this tool helped you optimize your prompts.